Hello and welcome back. So I'm introducing you to my practice test for GH-200, which is GitHub Actions Certification, and this is the highlight of this course. So I created two practice tests for GH-200 GitHub Actions Certification, and once you are done with your learning and my initial videos, you can come here and attempt this test. Now this test is specifically created to understand the test environment and then go accordingly based on your practice. So this is very important that you go through and complete this test within 2 hours, and I have included real exam like questions. There are more practical questions in my practice test, and I'm sure this is going to help you for your preparation. So make sure you attempt this test, which is at the end of this chapter in the second section, and make sure you scored at least 70% or above to pass. And you also have to do some exercise before running and jumping into the exercise. So I would highly recommend that you create some GitHub action workflow before you actually attempt the test. So I wish you all the best, and I'm looking forward from comment and your review and how you like this course. So please, if you have any question, comment or feedback, please do write to me and give me a thumbs up. I'm here to help you, and I wish you again all the best for your certification. Thank you.